night sky has always been a source of wonder and intrigue for humanity. As we gaze up at the stars, we often see objects moving across the sky, sparking curiosity and sometimes even fear. But what exactly are these flying objects? Are they all UFOs? And if not, what else could they be?
Hey man, I guess there's a first time for everything. I caught this thing moving to the west with my night vision monocular, and I had batteries in there that were pretty damn fresh. So I start shooting this thing, and I'll be damned, it's the first time this has ever happened, is that after about 2 minutes, my battery went dead. And that has never happened to me before.
When we talk about flying objects in the sky, our minds often jump to UFOs, unidentified flying objects. But not every flying object is a UFO in the extraterrestrial sense. Many of these objects have very terrestrial explanations.
I'm gonna die. It's getting big. Oh my god.
But there's 2 lights up there. Holy shit.
What is that? Oh my god, look at the design. What does it mean?
I don't know. Look down here and take me though. Is the world ending?
It's not picking up.
Right there. What is that, dude? That's crazy, right? Yep.
Terjadi fenomena apa ini?
You guys see that shadow? Where are the clouds? Where are the clouds?
I noticed that thing in the air. I can try to zoom in on it as best as I can, but yeah, it's not really clear what it is. It's not moving. It's kind of like suspended in midair. There is no string.
Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Is it a UFO? We can't figure it out. A viewer reaching out saw these large bright lights in the skies over the strip in downtown. He says they're bigger than the helicopters we see circling many times. And we just heard back from Nellis. They say not involved in this. So if you think you know what these are, or you've seen these, you can reach out, let us know right on our website, anewsnow.com. Top story there.
I'm fucked up. I'm fucked up. Timmy, you ain't fucked up. But that shit's getting all but close to the moon. You see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Our fucked is fucked up. Our government is fucked up.
Where's that?
Why? Bam.
What did it just hit?
Look at it. Look at the fucking smoke rings. Are you fucking shitting me? I'm a drunk ass redneck videoing some fucking shit. Like, what in the fuck is that? There's the fucking moon. This bullshit just sent a fucking shockwave. What the?
But what about those objects that truly defy explanation? Throughout history, there have been numerous reports of unidentified flying objects that don't fit the profile of any known aircraft or natural phenomenon. These sightings fuel the ongoing debate about extraterrestrial life. Many UFO sightings can be attributed to misidentifications of ordinary objects or atmospheric phenomena. However, some cases remain unexplained and continue to be a source of scientific inquiry. The universe is vast, and it's statistically improbable that Earth is the only planet harboring life. While we have yet to find concrete evidence of extraterrestrial visitors, the possibility remains open. Beyond the realm of UFOs, the search for extraterrestrial life continues. Scientists are exploring the cosmos, looking for signs of life on other planets and moons within our solar system and beyond. From microbial life on Mars to potential ocean worlds like Europa, the hunt for alien species is ongoing. The sky above us is filled with wonders, both known and unknown. While not every flying object is a UFO, each one contributes to the tapestry of mystery that makes our universe so fascinating. As we continue to explore the heavens, who knows what discoveries await us? Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fascinating explorations of our world and beyond.
Have you heard of the mysterious area between Las Vegas, Reno, and Fresno, known as the Nevada Triangle? The Nevada Triangle is known for having an abundance of reported UAP and UFO sightings and alien encounters, including theories surrounding one of its most famous occupants, Area 51. Furthermore, extensive research shows over 2,000 unexplained airplane crashes and disappearances have been documented in this area. Some experts explain away UAP activity and unexplained crashes on weather conditions caused by the Sierra Nevada mountain range, but could it be that something more complex is happening in this area? Could this be an important area for extraterrestrial civilizations to communicate with humans and possibly with our government? Further investigation could tell us how these strange mysteries and disappearances are linked.
Commercial airplanes are the most common flying objects we see. These massive metal birds transport millions of people across the globe every day. With their distinctive navigation lights, they are easily recognizable to the trained eye. Satellites, too, are frequent visitors to our skies. These human-made objects orbit the Earth, providing us with everything from weather forecasts to global communications. Seen as small, steady points of light moving across the sky, they are a testament to human ingenuity.
I'm gonna die.
It's getting big. Oh my god.
Like tiny, it just had the trail and then it turns.
But there's two lights up there. Holy shit.
What is that? Oh my god, look at the design. What does it mean?
I don't know. Look down there and take me.
Until next time, keep looking up.